Hello, in this video I share with you how I make fresh pounded yam on pot, no mortar, no artificial yam flour. Let's dive into it. First, you need a tuber of yam depending on the quantity you want to make. Next, I'll go ahead and cut into smaller sizes. After that, next I will take my time and peel them off. Peel off the skin, exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching and see how I prepare this fresh pounded yam without mortar and without artificial flour. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos to your friends and family. After peeling, next thing I do is to cut it into smaller size. Exactly what you see on the screen. And after that, the next thing I do is to transfer it into a clean water and begin to wash. Rinse it thoroughly, exactly what you see on the screen. After rinsing, you'll see it is very clean. Next, I will transfer it into a clean blender, and then I'll go ahead and add 250 ml of clean water and begin to blend this. Blend it very smooth until all lumps disappear. Keep watching. This was very amazing way of making your pounded yam, especially those outside Nigeria. It's so easy for you to make your yam without pounded yam without yam flour or pounding it. No stress. So I'll blend until it is very smooth. After blending, I'll transfer to a clean bowl so you notice that it is properly blended. No single lumps. So make sure please you blend yours same way. Next, I'll place a clean pot on fire and then transfer the blended yam and begin to stir on a medium flame. Stir this continuously so it does not form lumps. Exactly what you see on the screen. Hello, thanks so my Jenny subscribers for your wonderful support. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share my videos to your friends and families, and don't forget to watch the ads. So I'm going to stir this for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat or medium flame. I will continue to stir this until it is properly cooked. We did not use any yam flour, no mortar, no much stress. So I continue to stir. This is supposed to be exactly what you see on the screen. You're supposed to draw real yam, making a yam, pounded yam from the yam tuber. Supposed to draw but not overdraw. Exactly what you see on the screen. So it is ready now. I'll go ahead and transfer this into a clean plate, and it can be eaten with any soup, Afan soup, Okazi soup, Ogbono soup. The choice is yours. So after transferring it into a clean bowl, I'm going to mold it in such a way that it's so smooth. So I did this and it came out very well, and I said let me share it with you, friends and family. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this video, and don't forget to like and thumbs up and share the video to your friends and family. So I will be eating this soup with Okazi soup. Come and join me. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, stay safe, and see you in the next video, and bye.